Best router for fiber optic internet. So we're just gonna give you four options since there are most likely definitely more than five. Actually, we're gonna give you five instead of four. So we're gonna start with the lowest rating in our guess and to the highest. So we're gonna start with the Eero Pro 7. So the Eero Pro 7 is a tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh router designed for busy homes and internet plans up to 5 gig. It does focus more on straightforward whole home mesh networking than advanced manual router controls. More of that later on is just a simple brief explanation for each of the routers. We're gonna go to the next one, which is the Asus RTBE88U. So this device over here. Now this dual band Wi-Fi 7 router supports up to 7.2 Gbps wireless throughput and has dual 10G ports and also has four 2.5 ports. So its extensive wired connectivity is available as well, and it's especially attractive if you care more about fast Ethernet and lots of ports than having a 6 gigahertz band. Next to the Asus RTBE88U is the Netgear Nighthawk RS700S. Now, it rates the RS700S for Wi-Fi 7 speeds up to 19 Gbps. So up to 3,500 square feet of coverage, up to 200 connected devices, and 10G connectivity. It's a powerful standalone option for large homes, gaming, and demanding networks. Next, we have the TP-Link Archer BE800. Now, this combines tri-band Wi-Fi 7 with two 10G WAN or LAN connections and four 2.5G LAN ports. That makes it especially useful if you have several high-speed wired devices along with a fast fiber plan. And finally, you have the supposedly best as of now, the Asus RT BE96U. So this is a high-end tri-band Wi-Fi 7 router with wireless rates advertised up to 19 Gbps. So dual 10G ports and the AI mesh support. It's a strong fit for very fast multi-gig fiber connections and users who want plenty of performance headroom. So it is gonna depend on what you need and what your specific situation is. So if you want the best for whole home mesh, you can go for the Eero Pro 7. So it gets the mesh spot because it is specifically designed around easy multi-node Wi-Fi 7 coverage for larger or busier homes. And if you want the best for wired fiber networks, you can take the Asus RTBE88U. So it's dual 10G ports or the four 2.5G ports with the 34 Gbps of combined wired capacity makes it a standout choice if most of your high-speed devices use Ethernet. And finally, we have the best for overall, which we already mentioned, the Asus RTBE96U. It earns the overall spot since its combinations of tri-band Wi-Fi 7 with the dual 10G connectivity and strong hardware makes it suitable for almost any high-end fiber setup. So you gotta put in mind as well that your router cannot make your internet connection faster than the speed provided by your fiber plan. So if you haven't already know that, the actual Wi-Fi speeds will also depend on your devices, the distance, interference, and the actual home layout. But those are a few rated routers for fiber optic internet. Hopefully this video does help you in a way. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.